So you've decided that you want to go into a Bachelor of Science degree at DigiPenn, but we've got a lot of different ones, and so there could be some question about which one you really want to go into. But the first thing to realize is that for any Bachelor of Science degree at DigiPenn, there's a lot of commonality between them. They're all focused on technology, and so there's a common core that goes through all of them. The core starts with computer science. You're going to learn C and C++ in any of these degrees. You're going to learn data structures, you're going to learn algorithms. You're going to become a computer scientist no matter which of these degrees you take. Even ones like the computer engineering that don't have that in the name, or BSESD, these are still computer science. You learn how to code. You also, of course, get a lot of mathematics, because to be a really skilled computer scientist, you have to have mathematics at a level that a lot of other areas do not require. You're going to have to learn linear algebra, you're going to have to learn calculus, you're going to have to learn a lot deeper mathematics than sometimes people expect for this, because to be a skilled programmer, someone who can implement complicated algorithms, you must have that mathematical background. You're also going to need science, in particular, physics. This is because a lot of what we're doing, whether it's in games, whether it's building computer hardware, or whether it's actually dealing with audio, you must have a real background in physics in order to program this stuff well. And of course, there's also common to all the degrees is general education. So the skills from English to communications to social sciences and humanities, you're going to have some of those as well, just to be a well-rounded employee and well-rounded individual once you go out into the professional working world. In addition to the Common Core, if you go into the Bachelor of Science in Computer Science and Game Design, you're going to get the core CS and mathematics training that you do in the other BS degrees, but you're also going to get game design training. So this means it's really a hybrid degree. It's computer science and game design. You're not going to necessarily learn the really high-end mathematics and computer science that you will in the other degrees, but instead you're going to know how to craft an experience for a player. Learning how to deal with mechanics, rules, abilities, systems, how to build the space that an experience takes place in, whether in 2D or 3D, and actually, of course, building the interface that the players are actually going to experience when they play a game is a big part of what the BSGD can do. And so if you really have that desire to be both technical and interested in the creative side of the game design, this is really the degree that works well for it. You'll be both a programmer and a designer capable of implementing your own designs and able to create systems that are much more complex than just a traditional designer could.